In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Ford Excursion. Located right behind the passenger side headlight, let's get started. Let's disconnect the negative battery terminal. If you move this strap, it's going to be this one closest to the fender. Typically, you would need an 8mm wrench to undo the mounting nut. For me, I have to hold the head of the bolt that is in here and remove the mounting nut with a 10mm wrench. Whatever size yours is, use that and loosen it up. And now you can pull the battery terminal right off. Set that aside to where it can't bounce back and make connection. Now we'll do the same thing on the positive on the other side. Once again, should be an 8mm, mine's a 10. With this loosened up, do the same thing, wiggle it and pull it right off. At the front of the battery, there should be an 8mm headed bolt that goes all the way down through here and holds down this battery hold down. Mine is actually completely broken off and doesn't exist anymore, so my battery is not held down. However, remove yours and then you'll be able to remove the battery. Put your battery back in. Put your battery hold down back in. The side that has two cutouts is actually going to go towards the front. The side that's flat with a notch on the bottom goes towards the battery. I was able to get that bolt that broke in there right out, and I sourced myself another bolt. The threads, if you need it, are 6x1. So I'm going to secure this by dropping the bolt right through that hold down, and I'm going to snug this up. Just like that. Let's put the positive terminal back on the battery. Make sure it goes all the way down, and of course make sure there's no corrosion. If you have excessive corrosion, clean it up. Tighten this back up. Snug this back down, and what you want is to just give it a quick snug and then test it. If you can't spin this, that's plenty tight. Don't continue tightening. Not only can you damage the threads, but you can actually stretch the terminal. So as soon as it gets snug, that's it. Now let's connect the negative battery terminal. Put it back over the post on the battery and snug this up. Just give it a couple turns after it starts making contact, and as long as you can't spin this around, you're good to go. That's plenty tight. You don't want to stretch out the battery terminal. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.